A herd of elephants has just come out from a water hole after drenching their bodies with water. Now, on this dry terrain, the elephants are dusting their bodies by taking dust in their trunks and spraying it on themselves. This process helps them cover their large bodies with mud. The mud coating generally protects elephants from the sun and acts as an insect repellent. This is also a form of skin care for elephants. Doing this in a synchronized manner with other members of the herd strengthens the social bond and indicates a positive mood. Elephant calves, who are not as skilled with their trunk muscles, roll around in the dust to achieve the same effect. Welcome to Etosha National Park in Namibia. Etosha National Park is in the northwestern region of Namibia. This park features a salt pan known as Etosha Pan, which is the dried lake bed with high concentration of salt. The Etosha Pan makes nearly 23% of the national park. Established in 1967, the park is home to many endangered and threatened species, including black rhinos and bush elephants. The salt pan, along with sparse vegetation, creates an ideal habitat for various mammals, birds, and reptiles. During my visit, I stayed at this chalet within the lodge in the national park. After a restful night's sleep, I joined my group for the safari in an open jeep. Typically, these jeeps, they took us to water holes where we observed diverse gatherings of animal species. Elephants, giraffes, zebras, springboks, ostriches, and oryxes were frequently seen at these water holes. Most animals are cautious when approaching water holes, often assessing the presence of predators before drinking water. In the absence of predators, animals drink from the water holes with apparent respect and friendliness. Drinking water is very natural and graceful for many animals. However, drinking water poses a physical challenge for big animals. For instance, giraffes must bend significantly to reach the water.
Drinking at the same time.
Yeah.
Yeah, because night, Etosha we got only one. Yeah, same like in Kruger, Zimbabwe, most of the giraffes we are find in East Africa. Very different types of giraffes in East Africa.
While ostriches take fascinating scooping drinks. Elephants fill their trunks with water and inject the water into their mouths for drinking. Namibia is home to 1/3 of Africa's endangered black rhino population, with Etosha National Park harboring 70% of those rhinos. The highest recorded number of black rhinos in the park was 1,500. But recent years have seen a decline due to poaching. The black rhino horn is sold in the black market for $30,000 to $60,000 per kilogram and is used in traditional Chinese medicine. Although it is believed to have various medicinal properties, many scientific studies have consistently shown that the black rhino horn is composed merely of keratin, the same material found in human nails and hair. To protect these animals, park rangers and scientists often cut horns themselves to discourage poachers from killing the rhinos. African bush elephants are critically endangered, with only 415,000 remaining in the wild. Etosha National Park is home to 2,911 of these elephants. Despite the 1989 ban on ivory trade, poaching continues due to ivory value, which can be around $92 per kilogram. Ivory is primarily used for traditional art and religious figurines. Etosha National Park is home to 4 of the big 5 game animals: lions, leopards, elephants, and rhinos. These species can be observed within the park's boundaries.